Ducati has been making limited run specials to homologate its WSBK machines for decades now, and in the quest for racing success, they're always a step up from their predecessors. We've been waiting a while for a revamp of the Panigale V4 R, but now it's here, and with a couple of bolt-on options, it's good for a claimed 240.5 horsepower. That would have been bona fide MotoGP territory not many years ago, and while the Panigale V4 R won't be strictly road legal once tuned to that level, it's an indication of how easy it is to unlock more horses from the V4's coil. The 2023 Panigale V4 R is powered by Bologna's 998cc Desmosedici Stradale R engine, capable of reaching a maximum engine speed of 16,500 rpm in 6th gear. In stock trim, it makes a claimed 207 horses at 13,500 rpm. Fit the full titanium Akrapovic racing exhaust and you'll unlock 237 horsepower. That's not all though, because more is clearly more. Ducati says that if you take your Akrapovic kitted Panigale V4 R and also use a special new motor oil that Ducati and Shell have been working on together, you can achieve an astonishing 240.5 horsepower. The oil in question includes a proprietary blend of racing additives, which Ducati says gives an additional 10% reduction in mechanical friction. This oil may not be available in all regions though, but if it is available in your area, Ducati wants you to know that it is a thing. Two road machine firsts for Ducati are present inside the Desmosedici Stradale R engine. The first are gun-drilled titanium connecting rods which feature a 0.06 mm diameter hole drilled longitudinally within each rod. This acts as an oil passage to carry lubrication along its length, which aids in its performance in extreme racing conditions. The second big deal inside the engine are pistons that use a diamond-like carbon surface treatment to reduce friction. Their geometry has also been altered, resulting in a slightly lighter weight. We're talking about whole 5 grams. This type of consideration is common in the MotoGP and Formula 1 worlds, but has not been previously seen on a road bike. Other changes derived from Ducati's racing experience include more aggressively profiled intake cams, gear ratios altered to more closely reflect those of Ducati's WSBK Panigale race bikes, and a gorgeous new dry clutch also derived from WSBK. Electronics changes includes power mode expansion as well as slight tweaks to the Ducati traction control and ride-by-wire, engine brake control Evo and Ducati quick shifter systems. Additional software is available as an option if you choose to use your Panigale V4 R just on the track, which is made to work with slicks and rain tires. Suspension-wise, you'll get a fully adjustable Öhlins NPX 25x30 fork up front, with travel increased by 0.2 inches or 5 mm over the previous V4 R. In the back, an Öhlins TTX 36 shock and a single-sided swing arm with adjustable pivot height allows you to make fine adjustments to your suspension setup as needed. Other advances include the brushed aluminum tank with a 4.5 gallon capacity, a flatter seat, more compact carbon fiber winglets that still offer the same level of aerodynamic flow, a fairing that enhances engine cooling, magnesium wheels and much more. Each 2023 Panigale V4 R will come with a number inscribed on the triple clamp, though it's unclear at this time how many the company planned to make. It will retail for $44,995 in the US and $52,995 in Canada and should roll into dealerships sometime in spring 2023. Inevitably, BMW's new M1000RR launched just days before the new Panigale V4 R, and a direct rival both in the showroom and on track, provides the clearest opposition to the new Ducati. The new M bike takes perhaps the most radical approach to the idea of a homologation special since the days of the Honda SP2 and the Yamaha R7, standing alone from the more mainstream S1000RR, much more than the SP and RR versions of the mass-made superbikes that most of the opposition opt for. The Panigale V4 R, however, has always been a vastly different proposition to the base model, with its GP-alike 998cc engine rather than the gruntier, low-revving 1103cc V4 used in other versions of the Panigale. Italian flair or Teutonic efficiency, it will be interesting to see which route proves more successful when next year's WSBK series gets underway. If you like this video, then smash that like button, and if you'd like to catch more motorcycle news and content, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.